To understand DAO, first let's start by understanding how traditional business works. The CEO of the company pays very less for the employees out of how much he is getting to maximize the profit. And with the company's success, shareholders' equity grows while employees' salaries remains low. Because of all this, the traditional organizations are rigid, competitive, inefficient, and unfair. Now let's imagine the digital agency as DAO. A few freelancers decide to come together and form a DAO and put some funds and receive share and work together. As DAO grows, new members can come in. The members can receive share for works, funds or whatever else the community decides, and the profit will be accumulated in the shared bank. Anyone in the community can make a proposal on how this profit can be used, and everyone gets to vote on the proposal, and if majority accepts the proposal get approved, or if majority didn't accept the proposal gets declined. Instead of relying on top members like CEO, CFO in decision making, DAO is led by a community, and because of this, DAO tends to be a creative, collaborative, agile, and fair. The members can decide when to work and when to take rest, and how much to contribute and what projects he has to work on. Now you have got the hang on what DAO is. Let's jump in and understand DAO in a deeper way. What is DAO? DAO is Decentralized Autonomous Organization. DAO is like a platform upon which you can form organization. You can form this organization with anyone in the world. This would be like a global collaboration. Think them like a internet native business. If you are a UI or UX designer, you can coordinate with website developer, content writer from anywhere in the world. If you stay in India, website developer can be from London and content writer can be from USA. You three together can form a business on DAO. DAO not only help you to form community, you can also raise fund. How do you trust them? You don't have to trust the website developer and the content writer. You just have to trust the DAO's code, which is 100% transparent and verifiable by anyone. There's no CEO or CFO required. In simple words, you can define DAO as DAO are an effective and safe way to work with like minded folks around the globe. The present usage of DAOs are for a charity purpose. You can accept membership and donation from anyone in the world, and group can decide how they want to spend donation. Second is for a freelance network. You could create a network of contractors who pool their fund from some purposes like software subscription to work on a project together, etc. Third is for venture and grants. You could create a venture fund that pools investment capital and votes on venture to back. Unrepaid money would again be redistributed amongst DAO members. In all these cases, you don't have to trust any member. You just have to trust DAO smart contract. By this time, you already know what is smart contract. If you still don't know, please watch my other classes to know what is smart contract. This smart contract on DAO defines the rules of the organization and holds the group's treasury. Once the contract is live, no one can change the rules except by the vote. It can be changed only when majority of the members agrees. If anyone tries to do something that's not covered by the rules and logic in the code, the necessary action will be punished. The treasury is defined by the smart contract too. That means no one can spend the money without the group's approval. This means DAO don't need a center authority. Instead, the group members make decisions collectively and payments are authorized automatically when votes are passed. Now let's understand all this by a simple example. There's a $4 million NFT which you wanna buy. You can form a community of people who is interested to buy the same NFT collections. This NFT DAO community will come together and contribute the part of amount to buy that NFT. Everyone gets the NFT deed and share ownership in the NFT. In case if you wanna sell this NFT in future, you can take vote of all the members If majority of the people agrees, the NFT can be sold and the amount can be equally distributed. All this happens on a smart contract, which will be 100% transparent and immutable. In DAO, you can form a different types of groups and even build business together. Some of the example of famous DAO are the Pleaser DAO, collects various NFTs and investments in other assets. The Earth Story DAO collects and funds projects by black women and non-binary artists. The Friends with Benefits DAO is a exclusive social club which you pay to enter. And the fourth is Meta Cartel Venture DAO, a for profit business that invests in early stage decentralized applications. This was some of the things about DAO. If you find this video useful, please like the video and also subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this.